The Tarquin is a 50-foot snapper longliner made from jarrah, which is an Australian hardwood. It fishes from Hohora Harbour in Northland, New Zealand. And unlike the Khmer 2, the boat is run manually. The crew put in the hard work to bait up to 4,000 hooks. They set and haul them back in 3 times a day. All the fish come to the surface alive and are killed instantly when they arrive back on the boat with an icky spike, which is stabbed into the brain of the fish. This is painless and ensures that the meat remains in excellent condition. The snapper is then placed into a slurry where it is chilled to 0 degrees. The fish is then sorted into species and size and packed into ice fish bins. No matter what time the boat arrives back at port, there will always be a Lee Fisheries truck waiting.